3. Keep going. 2, 3. That's the pace. Make sure you're not going above your shoulders. Right here. Raise it up. All the way to my arms. It's not easy. Hug the bench. You got 2 more, guys. Up. Last one. And great. Hold it. And give me fast. Go. 10. 1, 2, 3. Hug the bench. Go. Come on. Come on. Fast. Keep your form. You see, she's not swinging. That's what I want. 3. Up. 1, 2, 3. Up. Nice. Up. Nice. You're doing great. You see Talia, what she's going. Oh, good. All the way. As deep as you can. And you see how she's breaking it in 3 different ways. Nice. She's keeping it close to her body. You got 2 more, girl. Good. 1 more. At your own pace. Hold. Hold it up. And fast. Go. 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 All the way. Good. Keep it safe. You see, she is extending her legs all the way up and she's going as deep as she can. But her form is perfect. And